Cacao and hot cocoa mix are popular treats enjoyed by many around the world. These delightful options offer unique flavors and experiences, making them favorites in various culinary traditions. People enjoy them in drinks and desserts, whether it's a warm cup of hot cocoa on a chilly evening, or a rich cacao-infused dessert at a festive gathering. Both cacao and cocoa come from the cacao bean, but they have different nutritional values and uses in the kitchen. Understanding these differences can enhance our appreciation and enjoyment of these products. Knowing the difference is important. It helps us make healthy choices. For instance, cacao is often praised for its high antioxidant content and minimal processing. Cacao is made from crushed cacao beans, retaining more of the natural nutrients found in the raw bean. This makes it a popular choice for health-conscious individuals. It has a rich, intense flavor, and many consider it a superfood due to its high levels of antioxidants, magnesium, and iron. On the other hand, hot cocoa mix is made from cocoa powder, sugar, and milk powder. This combination creates a sweeter, more comforting drink that is often enjoyed by people of all ages. It has a sweeter, milder taste, making it a popular choice for children and those with a sweet tooth. While hot cocoa is a comforting drink, it's important to be mindful of its high sugar content. Excessive sugar intake can lead to various health issues, so moderation is key. Both cacao and hot cocoa mix can be part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation. Pairing them with other nutritious foods can help maintain a healthy lifestyle. But understanding their nutritional differences is key. Reading labels and being aware of what we consume allows us to make better dietary choices. This helps us enjoy their flavors while prioritizing our health. By making informed decisions, we can indulge in these treats without compromising our well-being. Making informed choices contributes to our overall well-being, allowing us to enjoy delicious foods while maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Cacao is a nutritional powerhouse, revered for centuries by ancient civilizations. It's packed with beneficial compounds that contribute to overall health and well-being. These include powerful antioxidants, essential minerals, and mood-boosting substances that can enhance your daily life. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cells. Cacao is particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called polyphenols, which have numerous health benefits. Polyphenols fight inflammation, protect cells from damage, and support overall cellular health. This, in turn, benefits our heart and brain, promoting cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Cacao is also a good source of essential minerals that our bodies need to function properly. It contains iron, which is crucial for blood health, magnesium for muscle and nerve function, and potassium for maintaining proper fluid balance. These minerals are vital for energy production, muscle function, and nerve health. Furthermore, cacao contains theobromine, a natural stimulant. This compound can improve mood and focus, helping you stay alert and positive throughout the day. It also provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters of caffeine, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Hot cocoa mix is a popular treat enjoyed by many, especially during the colder months. It's a quick and easy way to indulge in a warm, comforting beverage that brings back nostalgic memories of childhood. It offers a comforting, chocolatey flavor that can be enhanced with marshmallows, whipped cream, or even a dash of cinnamon for an extra special touch. However, it's important to be mindful of its nutritional profile. Many hot cocoa mixes contain a variety of ingredients that may not be as wholesome as they seem at first glance. Hot cocoa mix typically contains processed cocoa powder, which is different from raw cocoa powder. The processing involves several steps that can affect the nutritional quality of the cocoa. This powder undergoes high heat treatment, which is necessary for mass production but can also lead to the loss of some beneficial nutrients. While it retains some antioxidants, the processing reduces their potency. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting free radicals in the body, and their reduction means less health benefits. Moreover, hot cocoa mix often contains added sugar. This sugar not only enhances the flavor, but also significantly increases the calorie content of the beverage. This significantly increases its calorie content, making it a less ideal choice for those who are watching their calorie intake or trying to maintain a healthy diet. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to weight gain and other health issues, such as increased risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other metabolic disorders. Some hot cocoa mixes also contain artificial flavors and additives. These ingredients are used to enhance taste and shelf life but offer no nutritional value. These ingredients offer no nutritional value and may have negative health effects in excess. It's always a good idea to read the labels and choose products with fewer additives and more natural ingredients. Section 4. Cacao for a healthy heart and mind. Cacao offers numerous health benefits. It's particularly beneficial for cardiovascular health. Cacao can help lower blood pressure. It improves blood flow and reduces the risk of blood clots. This protects against heart attacks and strokes. Cacao also supports brain health. It increases blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function. It may even enhance mood and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, cacao can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes. Section 5. Hot cocoa mix. Benefits with moderation. Hot cocoa mix can offer some health benefits, but it's crucial to enjoy it in moderation. Hot cocoa mix contains antioxidants. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. It may also offer a temporary mood boost. This is due to the combination of sugar and chocolate flavor. However, this effect is short-lived and can lead to sugar cravings. It's important to choose hot cocoa mixes wisely. Opt for options with lower sugar content and minimal artificial ingredients. Section 6. From bean to treat: cacao and cocoa processing. The processing of cacao and cocoa powder significantly impacts their nutritional value. Cacao undergoes minimal processing. This preserves its nutrients and natural fats. It retains its potent antioxidant profile and rich flavor. Cocoa powder, on the other hand, is subjected to high heat. This roasting process reduces its enzyme content and lowers its nutritional value. The Dutching process, commonly used for cocoa powder, further reduces nutrients. While it creates a milder flavor, it diminishes the health benefits. Section 7. Choosing wisely: cacao for a healthier lifestyle. When it comes to health benefits, cacao outshines hot cocoa mix. Cacao is a nutrient-rich superfood. It offers numerous health benefits. These include improved heart health, enhanced brain function, and blood sugar regulation. Hot cocoa mix, while enjoyable, is best consumed in moderation. Its high sugar content and processed nature make it less nutritious. By choosing cacao over hot cocoa mix, we prioritize our health. We can enjoy the delicious flavors of chocolate while nourishing our bodies.